Hey there, welcome to our video. This is a special voiceover thank you video to all our channel subscribers, those who have been with us from the start of our journey when the channel had a different name, those who have joined us along the way, and those who have just recently joined us. The pandemic placed our focus away from the channel for a long while, and we had hoped to upload new videos for you much sooner than now. But real life got in the way. We didn't give up and haven't given up. We want to assure you that your subscription to this channel has not been in vain. Because we plan to bring you more of the same type of voiceover sample videos that you've enjoyed before, like our phone greeting sample videos, our documentary videos, commercial style videos, and many other types of videos. We're adding to this program of videos a plan in which we aim to share information on how to do voiceover work. We want to keep you enjoying the type of videos we've been uploading to this channel in the past, but we also want to make it so that it is also helpful to you if you're interested in voiceover work. Specifically for those starting out in the voiceover career, or a little ways further than that, up to where we are in our journey. You see, the main reason we started this channel was to highlight all the types of voiceover work services that we provide at Vocal Fusion. We've already mentioned a few: phone greetings, voicemail messages, documentary narrations, audiobook narrations, commercial, video explainer, advertisement voiceover styles, corporate, gaming, and much more. If you like what you hear on this channel and would like a similar voiceover service for your project, make sure to visit our website via the link below, placed in our description box at www.vocalfusion.uk, where you can learn more about our services and how to contact us. You can also find there our email address and social media contact information. We hope you'll consider joining us on social media also, and becoming a valued and much appreciated part of our community. Your support means everything, and your support has meant everything. You see, we've chosen to make this video to really express our gratitude and appreciation for your support, which you have shown by subscribing to our tiny, minute channel. Each subscription is valued more than you can know. We know growing our channel will take hard work. We're willing to do that. And while 30 plus subscribers may not feel like very much when compared to channels with millions, to us, you are a group which represents precious support and encouragement. Thank you. Thank you, dear subscribers, for subscribing to the Vocal YouTube channel. We hope you keep enjoying your subscription with us. If you're new to our channel and hold an interest in voiceovers, want to hear some voiceover styles, or want to purchase some voiceover services, please consider subscribing to our channel for videos and information on just that. Better still, hit that notification bell after you have subscribed, and you'll be the first to know whenever we drop a new video on the channel. And when you become part of the Vocal Fusion community, engage with us. Comment in the sections below the videos and let us know what you think about the videos we upload. But if time is of the essence and you just want to show your appreciation of the video, simply click the like button below the video. This will help us know the kind of videos you like to watch, so that we can create those kinds of videos for you also in the future. So, if you liked this video, please click the like button and do consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Smash it, as some say. Help us reach our goal of 100 subscribers by the end of May 2021. We want to take this time to remember those who have fallen during this global pandemic, those who have suffered because of it, and those going through it. Please, dear subscribers, stay safe and healthy. God bless. As always, thank you for listening, and also thank you for watching. Until next time.